Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of two great products from a company called MIRACLEAN. They're professional grade drying towels. There's two different types right here. This is a pack of three. These are 15 inches by 15 inches. The yellow one you could see. Absorbent microfiber towels for superior cleaning and drying. And on the left here is their huge size drying towel. This is 65 by 23 inches, which is huge. We're going to open this up and look at it. And they're calling it a car drying towel, streak-free and lint-free absorbent microfiber. So what's amazing, these can be used on your car, your boat. They will hold a lot of liquid. So if you're washing your car and you want to get the water off quickly so it doesn't sit in the sun, these are excellent for that. And you can throw them in the wash afterwards to make sure they stay nice and clean, ready for the next time. They have that superior drying performance because they will absorb water directly. Microfiber is a technology where the fibers are very, very tiny and they're very expansive for moisture of any kind. And that's how you get that exceptional moisture absorption properties that they have. And there's all other applications, not just for your car and boat, but you can use them around your house. Another great application is if you have a large screen TV and you want to safely clean the screen of it, you put this in the wash, make sure it's clean and dry, and then you can put a little bit of just water on it and then wipe down your TV screen, and it'll attract all the lint and dust on your screen and allow you to have a perfect clear image. And it won't scratch because these are extremely soft material. They're also very durable construction. They're built to withstand frequent use, and they'll keep their effectiveness wash after wash because the microfiber is really durable and it's going to last. You don't have to worry about it fraying. A lot of times something that's made out of cotton will fray. These don't fray. I've had this brand before and they last a long time, even after me using them on my car and drying them and then using them over and over again. They're very easy care and maintenance. All you have to do is machine wash in cold water and tumble dry in low heat, or air dry is even better. And they will dry quickly. You can also squeeze them out when you're using them. So let's take a look at these right here, so we can take a look at what they look like. Again, this is the 3-pack. Very nice. So you can see one side's got that bright yellow, the other side's got that gray. And if you look here, the edges are stitched, double stitched, really nice. And that's going to give it the strength that you need. You can tell these are very high quality. You know, one of the things I noticed, you could go like that, and I don't see all kinds of microfibers going into my camera with the studio lights. So that's a good thing. It tells me that it's very, very high quality. The cheaper ones will send dust flying everywhere. Now let's take a look at this big bad boy right here, this huge one, which is 65 by 23, and I'm going to be able to fit it in the frame, but you're going to get the idea how big it is. So it's really long, 65 inches all the way across and 23 inches wide. And again, I can flick it like this and I don't see microfiber dust. So this is excellent. You're doing your car and you want to quickly wipe away a large area that has water. This is going to absorb a lot of water quickly so that you can dry off your car. Very, very nice. I'm impressed with the quality. Again, I've used these before. I have some older ones and they just last and last. So I'm impressed by this MIRACLEAN, both these products. I'm going to give them both a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.